Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Apple Watch Ultra with the Prophet app. First, make sure both your Apple Watch Ultra and iPhone are running the most recent software. Then, download the Prophet app onto your iPhone from the App Store. Once installed, open the app and either log in to your existing account or create a new one to begin the setup process. This ensures a smooth and successful connection between your devices. Next, we'll enable the watch integration within the Prophet app itself. On your iPhone, open the Prophet app and head over to the Settings or Profile area. Here, you'll find an option specifically for connected devices or Apple Watch integration. Simply tap to enable this feature, allowing the app to communicate with your Apple Watch Ultra. This step is crucial for data synchronization. Now, let's get your devices talking. The Prophet app will guide you through the pairing process with your Apple Watch Ultra. It's important to grant all requested health and activity data permissions, as these are essential for the app to function correctly and track your progress accurately. You might also see a confirmation prompt on your Apple Watch itself. Simply approve it to finalize the connection. Finally, let's verify everything is working perfectly. Open the Prophet app directly on your Apple Watch Ultra. You should see your data or a clear connected status. To fully test the integration, try starting a short workout or activity using the app on your watch. Afterward, check both your Apple Watch and iPhone to confirm that your activity data has synchronized correctly, ensuring you're ready to track your progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.